Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2159 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle speed sensor system. And if not fixed on time, it can affect your speedometer, transmission shifting, cruise control, and overall driving performance. What does P2159 mean? P2159 stands for Vehicle Speed Sensor B Range Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the signal from Vehicle Speed Sensor B is outside the normal operating range. This means the sensor is sending incorrect or inconsistent speed information to the vehicle computer. As a result, several systems may not work correctly. Common symptoms. If your vehicle has P2159, you may notice: check engine light on, speedometer reading incorrectly, cruise control not working, harsh or delayed transmission shifts, ABS warning light, traction control warning light, and poor overall driving performance. In some cases, the transmission may go into limp mode. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Vehicle Speed Sensor B is usually mounted on the transmission housing. On some vehicles, it may be located near the differential. The sensor monitors vehicle speed and sends that information directly to the ECU. Its wiring harness runs underneath the vehicle and is exposed to dirt, water, heat, and road debris. The most common causes of P2159 include faulty vehicle speed sensor, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded connectors, damaged tone ring or reluctor wheel, transmission-related issues, or ECU problems. In rare cases, quick diagnosis. Start by connecting an obd2 scanner and checking live speed sensor data. Compare vehicle speed sensor B readings with actual vehicle speed. Inspect wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Check the sensor mounting area and inspect the tone ring if accessible. If the sensor signal is unstable, replacement may be necessary. How to fix P2159. Repair damaged wiring, clean corroded connectors, replace the faulty speed sensor if required. Repair damaged tone rings, clear the code, and perform a complete road test. Final result. Fixing P2159 will restore accurate speed readings, improve transmission shifting, restore cruise control operation ... and help your vehicle perform normally again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.